When you think about trading, what's the first image that pops into your head? For most of us, it's probably someone, sitting alone, just glued to a bunch of screens filled with charts and blinking numbers. It's always felt like this super solitary, high stakes game. But we're about to look at a platform that's completely flipping that idea on its head. And it's all by asking one simple question.
Right. What if trading wasn't this isolated grind? What if it was a multiplayer experience? Imagine leveling up your account, unlocking achievements for your skills, and sharing your best trades with your friends with just a single click. That's the core idea we're going to dig into today. So here's the real shift we're talking about. Over on one side, you've got traditional trading, and let's be honest, it can be intimidating, it can be complex. But on the other side, we have this new model called SocialFi. Think social finance. It's all about making trading collaborative, engaging, and, well, fun. And StormTrade is a platform built from the ground up on this very idea.
So where is all this happening? Get this. It's right inside an app that you probably already use every single day, Telegram. This isn't just some standalone trading platform. It's a whole trading ecosystem that's woven seamlessly into a social network. Okay, so what is StormTrade exactly? Well, it's the very first decentralized platform for derivatives trading that's built on the TON blockchain. That's the open network, which is native to Telegram. So you're getting the full power of a decentralized exchange, a DEX, right there inside your messaging app. And what's really cool is how it mixes some seriously powerful features with total accessibility. You get pro-level stuff like up to 500x leverage, which is a way to trade with more capital than you actually have. And you can trade pretty much everything. Crypto, stocks, Forex, you name it. But here's the most important part. It's non-custodial. That means your funds always stay in your wallet. And it all happens inside Telegram. No more switching apps, no more complicated setups.
All right, so we've got the power, we've got the convenience, but this is where things really start to feel less like trading and more like a game. Let's get into how StormTrade actually gamifies the entire experience.
So every good game starts with gear, right? Well, meet the Market Makers collection. It's a super limited set of just 5,555 unique 3D NFTs. But don't just think of these as pretty pictures. Think of them as your in-game equipment, the kind of stuff that gives you special perks and abilities. And here is where these NFTs really shine. If you hold one, you get an instant 20% boost to your reward point farming, which means you earn rewards on the platform way faster. You can even stack up to 5 of them for a full 2x multiplier. Plus, you get discounts on trading fees and a custom profile. It's literally like equipping power-ups for your trading journey. And what's a game without achievements? StormTrade has over 50 of them, all these unique challenges you can complete. And these aren't just for bragging rights. They actually recognize your trading skills, whether it's for making a bunch of profitable trades in a row or hitting a huge P&L percentage. Now, this is the best part. These achievements aren't just some temporary badge on your profile. You can actually mint them as Soulbound Tokens, or SBTs. What that means is they get permanently locked to your wallet on the blockchain. It's a public, verifiable record of your trading skills that you own forever. They're your trophies. Okay, so you've got your gear, you've got your trophies. But how do we go from a single-player game to a full-on multiplayer experience? This is where the whole community aspect just comes roaring to life. The magic ingredient that makes this all work is something they call a deep link. On the surface, it's just a simple URL, but this thing packs a serious punch. It contains every single detail of your trade, the trading pair, if you're going long or short, your leverage, all of it. And check out how easy it is to share. You just open your trade, tap the little share icon, and boom, you've got your link. You can then just fire that off to a friend, drop it in a trading group, whatever you want. So what happens when someone clicks that link? This is the game changer. The StormTrade app opens right on their phone with your entire trade setup pre-filled. They don't have to type in a single thing. All they have to do is look it over and sign the transaction. It is essentially one-click copy trading. It's that simple. So let's zoom out for a second. We've got this gamified experience, and we have this incredibly powerful social layer. Why is this such a big deal for the future of decentralized finance, or DeFi? I think this quote from the team just sums it up perfectly. The goal is to give you that super smooth, fast user experience you get on a big centralized exchange, or CEX, but with all the freedom and security of a decentralized exchange, a DEX. And it's all happening inside the biggest crypto-native social app in the world. And trust me, they are not stopping here. A quick look at the roadmap shows a really clear vision for the future. We're talking a full-blown copy trading system, AI to help suggest strategies, even leveraged spot trading. Oh, and a built-in smart wallet that gets rid of gas fees. They are doubling down on making trading smarter, easier, and way more social.
So it really leaves us with this one big question to think about. As platforms like StormTrade keep blurring the lines between social media, gaming, and finance, maybe the future of trading isn't just about my profit or your profit. Maybe it's about playing the game together.